Okay, YouTube, let's get straight into this video. I'm gonna break down my four pairs for this upcoming week, and yes, I'm using the set and forget strategy. So let's get straight into this video. So the first pair that we're gonna take a look at is USD Swiss franc, second Euro CAD, third Aussie CAD, and then Euro JPY. So let's start off from our weekly time frame. As all of you guys would know, we always start from the weekly, daily, and 4 hour for our directional purposes. So what you can see on our weekly time frame is that we have the strong bullish momentum here to the upside, right? And we can see our previous daily candle did create this doji candle right there. And we can also notice that we're currently trading above this strong area of previous resistance. As you can see, rejection, rejection, right? Rejection, rejection, rejection. So we currently trading above this strong area of resistance. So now we can scale down to our daily time frame, and what we could notice on our daily time frame is that it did reject this area. Just show you, it did reject this area right here. We can see we have this higher low, higher high. There we have this doji candle right there. So now we can see prices basically creates not a bullish engulfing candle. So what I'm gonna wait for is for the 4 hour time frame to retrace back to one of this area of interest, either to this reason right here or to this area right here on my daily reason right there. So that is what I'm gonna wait for on the USD Swiss franc, because you can see that our 4 hour is bullish, our weekly is bullish, and also our daily is bullish. So let's jump into the next pair, guys. It's gonna be Euro CAD. So EuroCAD, plain and simple as well, we can see that we are currently trading bearish. If we just look at market structure, previously we have this higher low point, higher high. You can see there we have this new higher high, there we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. There we can see prices trace back and close under this previous area of support. So now it's gonna act as an area of resistance. So what I'm gonna do right now is that we have our weekly pulleys. So we scale down to daily. So what we can check on our daily time frame is as well is that we are currently trading now at an area of interest on my daily time frame. This is my daily lower high, and this is my daily lower low point. We can see that we have multiple rejections from this area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's already a confirmation, and you can count this one here as well. So we have 6 confirmations from this area. So now we're just gonna have to wait for our 4 hour as well to play in play and get in play with this market right here before we gonna execute this trading position. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on the Euro CAD. But yeah, we have beautiful trading opportunities this upcoming week. So the next trade that I'm interested in is the Aussie CAD. So let's jump into our weekly time frame. So what we could notice right away from our weekly time frame is that we have strong bearish momentum to the downside. We can see that we have this momentum here to the downside all the way. We have our previous higher low point, our higher high. This is a lot of gaps and slippages, lower high point, lower low. And if we take a look at our daily time frame, we can also notice the same. We can also notice the same right here. We can see that we currently have this lower high point, a lower low, and now we're trading into this area of interest on my daily. So let's confirm this area of interest. We can see we have 1, we have 2, and this 2, we have 3, and we have 4, and we have 5. Right, we have 5 area of interest from this zone already. So yeah, that is something that we're gonna keep an eye out for, right? To trade from this region right here. So that is gonna be the third market for me. The 4 hour, as you guys will notice right now, is currently bullish. So I will wait for the 4 hour also to shift in my direction, right? So before I will execute this trading position. So let's jump into a final market, Euro JPY. EURJPY, plain and simple, guys. I hope you guys could notice it right now. If you're familiar with the set and forget strategy, you guys would know market structure is key. So what we could notice that higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low, potential lower high, and then we can see we're trading on the area of support and resistance. So now we just have to wait for the retest, right? So that's our weekly. We can see our weekly is bearish. So if we take a look at our daily time frame, we can see that our daily time frame had higher low, higher high, lower high, lower low. We did set the structure right here. So now we just have to wait for price to trade into this area of interest for us to take this trade for confirmation for this area of interest. We can notice that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rejections from this area. So this is a confirmed area. So now we just have to wait for price to come in straight into this area, and then we will trade price into this region right here, just down here, for a pretty good trade. So if you take a look at there, stop is just going to be somewhere around here. As you can see, we can have a beautiful 6 to 1 trade on this market. So if you got value from this video, and if you want to see more of this breakdown every week or daily, let me know in the comments, guys. So yeah, I'm out. Thanks for watching.